Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to see the NQ trade breakdown as well as DXY market updates. Let's start with the DXY. See here, day before we have seen these key levels in the weekly outlook. Okay, see, this was my dual for the week because there is an volume imbalance here. Okay, see, market opened and reached the volume imbalance in the Monday itself, so I have to wait for some more confirmations for the direction. Okay, see here, I also mentioned that. See here, GC. See the gold outlook and the euro reached the target. Okay, I was waiting here. If the market reaches here and gives some confirmation wins, we can go for buy. I have also mentioned this in the weekly outlook because it was the fair value area. Okay, let's see. We have to wait for some more confirmation. In this week we have CPI and PPI news. So that in order to confirm the bias, we need patience. Okay, Monday itself reaches the DYL. If it was a reversal, means this week will confirm the reversal because see the PD arrays, every PD arrays, the price respecting every PD arrays here, and it was looking bullish. Okay, we have to wait for this week to have some clear direction, either it was a buy in the euro or sell. Okay, let's move on to the NQ. This trade is executed in the gold futures. Okay, if you want to buy some gold futures account, means there is a limited offer for 50% discount. If you want to buy, means you can use the affiliated link of mine. You can use code Satya for 20% discount in the normal days. We will have 50% discount for the short term period. Okay, we'll move on to the trade breakdown. See, I have given these as the weekly DOL, but I was expecting here a PO3. I was expecting a PO3 like this, but see here, from the Monday itself it reaches the DOL. Okay, so I'm not going to look for buy because see, it was a weekly swing. After reaching this, inside this imbalance, we can expect some retracement in the lower time frame, not in the daily time frame. Okay, see here in the 1 hour, see the retracement, so that I was here looking the price for some bearish movement. At this time, see here, there it was a 10 AM open, and before the open, see the price around the 9:30 create the first presented FVG, and then price respecting those FVG, and then see the price again reaching the first printed FVG. See here, price again retesting the first printed FVG. At the same time, there we have SMT with ES. Okay, ES printing higher guys, it sweeps the highs. Then I was in the 2 minutes time frame because see there is no proper price action. It was comparatively the price action is not good. So for clear confirmation, I'm using the 2 minute time frame. Okay, I was dynamic in time frames while scalping in the lower time frame. Okay, see, after this inversion and there is an order block. Okay, I was entering here and just trading the 3RR, that's all. Okay, just I was trading 3 hour trades. That's all. Exactly, it was a 3R, not a 3.2R. Okay. We have to wait for some more confirmation because it was a CPI PPI week and the draws are already traded in the London session itself. See here, the London session itself. Okay, we have to wait for some more confirmations. See, in the daily there are order block to push the price lower. See the move, it was a massive move in the weekly itself. So we can expect some retracement either after reaching these weekly imbalance, either there is also a volume imbalance. I will show you that. See here, there is a volume imbalance. Okay, we can get some reaction around this area. For that we have to wait and then we will discuss. See, it was a monthly FVG also. See here, there is an order block, monthly FVG. So it is better to wait to confirm the direction. Also see this move, it was just respecting every PD arrays, looking like a retracement, and it just have only one weekly FVG, which is a minute one comparatively. Okay, so we have to wait until this weekly close. If the close is below this low, I will be bearish. My dual will be every weekly lows if it turns bearish. Okay, let's see. That's all for the video. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.